Hi, welcome back to Spreadsheet and Power BI data analysis. And here I want to show us a few more functions to aid our work. I will show us the VLOOKUP. I have my sheet 1 and I have my sheet 2. My sheet 2 contains my location and the region to which each location belongs to. Now, if I want to add a region column here in using my VLOOKUP, I'll say equal to VLOOKUP. Now I want to ensure that each location, in as much as they appeared more than twice for each of them, they should all have their region close to them. Pick my tool and go here, pick this entire table, and then I'll have it in row 2, and then I'll have false. And this is it. So each location is mapped to its region for each and every one. Yeah. So I'm supposed to lock each. Yes, I'm supposed to lock each so that they remain, I'm supposed to lock all my columns and my rows so that there are no too much changes. And remember, for this I do not need the regions because this is some analysis that were carried out. So we now have each location mapped to its region. Now the same thing of course goes for the SLOOKUP. SLOOKUP, the difference between SLOOKUP is that instead of using these completely, you will have to use this column in sheet 2. After you use this column in sheet 2, you use this column in sheet 2, and you will now have an appearance of sheet 2, A1, A1 to A7, and then sheet 2, B1 to B7. And you can put in values like not found to guide you. That's the difference between the VLOOKUP and the SLOOKUP in the formula. So